What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy, and today we are back for episode 4 of the Lightspeed 3K challenge. Last week was a bit of a roller coaster. If you guys didn't see it, I'll leave it up at the top right. Make sure you go watch that so you know where we left off on the account. And while you're at it, just go to the playlist and then you'll see the whole series of episodes there. But yeah, like I was saying, a bitter end to the week. And I know it was monthly OPEX, but still, man, we were looking at the right things. I mean, ARM. Imagine if we caught that downside. We were a day early on it, unfortunately. That would have been nice. But yeah, we can't look back. We got to look forward. And speaking of looking forward, earnings season is basically here. We've already had Netflix last week. Basically everything going on this week, all the Magnificent 7 earnings. So let's see what we get. A few things on watch. We're going to look at Tesla. Obviously earnings this week, we got to be a little bit careful, but another gap down. Let's just see if we can get some movement down to the 140 whole dollar. And Nvidia, I would love to see it come down all the way down to this 746 level. As you can see, clear retest. By the way, let me just say, guys, the Discord will be opening up fairly soon. Drop me a comment if you are excited for that and if you are willing to join. I'll get into it later, but it's going to be a great community of traders, so I'm very excited for that. So with that out of the way, guys, if you enjoyed the series, drop a like for me, drop a sub, drop a comment. Again, let me know your thoughts on the Discord, and let's get into the trades, baby. And we are open. And Tesla slaps down through 140. Sick one. Here we go. New 5. Gotta be very careful here, though, because it's a candle under candle on the 5. Retraced a lot of the move on the original candle. It could look for a break up here. Let's actually maybe switch our bias. I mean, how does it have a downside move like that and then just does nothing after? I feel like we could look for a move up here. I'm going to try it. I'm going to take Nvidia calls here, looking for it to actually break through the high at 788. There we go. And there's the movement. Unreal, bro. Nvidia is unreal. There we go. Let's get it. Got to get over those Bollingers, though. Let's get over the 5-minute 200. Beautiful. I mean, you just knew it was going to be upside because of the previous candle. And usually when Nvidia gets to the top of the range like this, we should break out. Does that need a wick on the bottom? Oh my gosh, why? I could have sworn that had a wick already, right? Did it just despawn a wick? Bro, I hate this. If it goes down now, I'm going to go nuts. It's already a terrible looking candle again. I think we're down $100. What? How the hell? Closing under the 9 and VWAP. I gotta get out. And I'm out. Dude, what are we doing? Oh, and then I sell at the worst possible time. All right. Oh, yep. Perfect. AMD, easy break of the high here. We could look for that. But I literally can only buy one contract. I'm going to take it, though. Watch it be a fake break. We try and go for 150. That'd be nice. Yeah, look at Nvidia breakout like a... Dude, I'm pissed. Oh, my God. Look at that. They're at 1140. My God. I mean, how do we get shit on like that, bro? How do we get shit on? Yeah, and then AMD is not doing what we want either. There we go. Something at least. Nice. I want the 150, though. Yeah. Not too bad. But we're at the $0.50 right now. If we can get over the $0.50. There we go. Pops through it. Yeah, it gives me some confidence that we can actually hit the 150 whole dollar. Nice jump. Really nice surges. Oh, I love that. I love that AMD. Or at least we're cutting down on the loss. Let's just get a quick surge to 150 and then I'm out. Forget about the Bollingers. Forget about them. And also hold the $0.50. Holding the $0.50 real well. Good consolidation. New 1. Last minute in the 5. Still size at 50. Is it going to hold up last second like Nvidia? Let's hope so. New 5. Just getting sold into. Wow. All right. Yep. And it was a good sell. Would have been break even. Dude, this is... All right. Down 150. We have like $150 to trade, but I'm not going to trade. Very soon, guys, like we're going to have to start betting the farm on the account. So let's be very careful with our trade selection this week going forward. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, back on Tuesday. Let's get it done today, guys, huh? I mean, most of the stocks that we usually trade, we can't because, I mean, the IV is through the roof because of earnings. So Tesla is most likely off the table. But I think Meta's expensive. 1,600 for at the money. My goodness. All right, guys, let's keep a lookout. Let's get it. And we are open. Amazon, decent pullback, though, to the 50. Wait, hold on a minute. This actually looks pretty good for a breakout on the hourly. Like right above this 179. And it's bouncing off of a daily level. We have a 177.64 around there. So if it can do an O or B up, I actually wouldn't mind it. This is where we have to start getting aggressive, too. Gotta start getting aggressive on the account. Could look to take it. I want a little bit more confirmation. That's good enough for me. I'm in. And at 185, if I show you. Let's go to Amazon here right off of this level. Let's see if we can break the intraday highs we've been struggling past, get past the 180. Let's get it. There we go. Good move. And look at the markets as well. It's good for us. New one needs a wick on the bottom there. New one. This is a big previous high. If we go to the weekly, you can see what we're kind of playing. Yeah, but if we go through the ORB here, we got to take it off, which would be really unfortunate. Amazon. Oh my god, it dumps through. Do we hold that? Because it still is technically a break and retest. Like, we're at the level. I want to give it to around here a little bit. And it looks like the market absolutely faked this out. I mean, the Qs with an unreal move. There we go. Holding that. Trying to. Wow. We were getting dookied on here. I mean, I don't want to sell at the lows, but, like, I have to. All right, let's stop the bleeding here. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, and I sell at the worst time. Like, yet again. Okay, this is not good, guys. I need to come up with a game plan here. All right, fellas, back on Wednesday. And one stock out of all of them is actually looking good enough to trade, and it's Tesla. Look at that move off of earnings. I mean, really, it just filled the gap on the daily. But now obviously needs to come back down to fill the gap for this candle. But anyway, let's see if we can find a trade just to a little scalp through the 164 level. Consolidation looks really good. Let's wait for Tesla to shake out a little bit and see if we can get some more movement inside of this. I mean, if we bring this to the hourly, you can see it's opening just right above that. So maybe another dip down, but let's get it. And we are open. Tesla, give us something and do not go right away, please. Do one. That'd be really impressive if it goes for it. And there it goes. ORB to the downside. I was thinking of taking that, but... Ooh, Tesla catching a bid, guys, right at the bottom that I kind of set here in the pre-market. It's very interesting. I just don't know if I want to get aggressive now. We're back above the 9. We're still under the VWAP, though. Because look at this. If we go to the 5-minute here, we're still under that. I mean, maybe we'll wait for the break above that. It's a lot of buying, though. Maybe I can anticipate the break. I might do one. I'll anticipate it. I'll take a long here on Tesla. Stop is any move back under the 9. We held the 160 pretty nicely before, so let's see if we can hold that again. Okay, there we go. Nice job, Tess. That's actually a great candle. Here we go. So we did hold the 160, looking to hold the 9 as well. Start that uptrend. New one. Needs to work on the bottom. Okay. I like that the VWAP is kind of stalling out, though. It's good for us. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Should start to go green on these. There we go. Let's get over that VWAP. Buyers, what you got? Oh, man. All right. New 5-minute. This is a big battle here. It's between the VWAP and the 160. Okay. Getting bid up again. Okay. Buyers actually getting more aggressive now. There we go. Look at that move. Come on. Get above that VWAP. There we go. And this is a key level, right? We got to get above this yellow line. And Tesla can't do it just yet. Buyers are stepping up here. I think we can do it. New one. I think we can do it. There we go. Needs a wick on the bottom, though. All right, but we go up anyway. Damn. These contracts are low-key moving. I'm not complaining. All right, let's see if we can just grow a wick then. Nice. Okay, grew a wick there. That's perfect. We want to see that. Market doing its little manipulation tactics right here. Nice. Good. Look at the surges of buying there. I love it. Let's get over this little consolidation. Target this. Nice move, Tesla. Nice move. I love it. I mean, can we get the ORB? That would be unreal. That would really help the account as well. So we're over this line, which is really good. So we're back inside the daily range. So now we're just going to target this and then look for the ORB up, which, oh my God, it could happen, man. Could happen. Look at the Bollingers here. We got so much room, it's possible. I think buyers should start noticing where we're at right now and should bid this thing up higher. Come on, this will be huge. This will be huge. There we go. A little red to green. Can we get back inside the opening print? Once you do that, it's go time. For sure. Yep. Yep. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, man. Buyers look good. I kind of want to sell 2 here just to take some off the table. Rejecting a little bit. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. I want to hold the whole thing because we need a win, man. We need a big win. Let's get over that. Let's get over that. Come on. Guys, it is go time. Okay. Let's stand up straight here. Holy. Man, I definitely got to sell 2 around here. All right, new 5. This is massive, guys. This is absolutely massive. We can make $500 here. We can absolutely make $500 here. Look at this move. I want to sell 2. I'm selling 2. 3 on the table still. So we could still make 500, but we got to get like nicely above that ORB. Guys, what a buy at the 160. Oh, man. But look at this. Okay, Bollingers are closing up a little bit. That's okay. You can see that. Have to say markets are really helping us out too. I mean, it's straight green right now. But if we do this, oh my goodness. I mean, we have the psych level 165 above. Guys, we need this. We need this. Okay, I think it needs to consolidate here just to get the Bollingers kind of out of the way. I need to work on the top so we know we have to go back up. But so it's going to consolidate here, wait for the Bollingers to kind of expand, move this way. Yep, there's the move. That's going to help out the Bollingers for sure. But let's not drop this, though. New one, and that made a wick somehow. Okay. But see, now look at the Bollingers. Much more room. I just don't know if it wants to dip back down and kind of make the move like harder to trade. Do you hold the 9? Come on. Go back up. That was close. Wow, that looks good. And look at the Bollingers. Okay. It's Loki setting up for it, guys. This is 5 seconds till the new 5-minute. 2, 1, new 5. Huge. And look at the Bollingers now. Oh my god, let's go for it. Okay, markets are dipping down below the VWAP, which isn't the best, but Tesla, do your own thing. Need to break this consolidation high. Don't reject that. Bro, the Bollingers are pointed. No, let's get this move. That's not the best. I think it will do it, but it looks like it wants to stair step. I mean, wait for the MAs to kind of curl up and stuff. Oh my god, look at the downside of the market. Okay, we got to be vigilant here. We might have to sell these. Yeah, we're selling these. Damn. Yep, had to do that. Good sell. Good sell. Just looking right at the markets. Oh man, that's tough. That is tough. Could have made like an extra $300. But that looks like, oh man, that looks like it could definitely go back up. But anyway, we caught our trade. Like I said, we only have like kind of one shot to trade now pretty much. So very, very happy with that. Made 286. Crawled some of that back. Okay, let's keep it up. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, fellas, back on Thursday. And what an opportunity we have today. Meta. Fill in the gap. That's crazy. Do we get it today? Let's see. And we are open. I want to see how big these contracts get. Oh, by the way, Oxy, let's go. Did I even mention it to you guys? This level actually doesn't matter, but anyway, I bought more long-term shares on Oxy and a swing trade, which maybe I'll get into. So far, so good. Look at that breakout. Anyway, maybe I'll make a video on that. What the heck is going on with Apple? Nvidia looks good for downside, though we still have this gap to fill. But Meta, can we get any ORBs? By the way, I would love to take SMCI downside. I really would. 705. These are a little bit expensive. How about the 700s? I have to get on the limit somewhere. 1340, 1210. Oh, and I'm in at 1250. Okay. I did not expect to get filled there. So we're actually looking for SMCI downside. But looks like we're going to have to get out of these. Wow, what the hell is that? Back on Friday. And we are almost done out here. I'm probably going to reload this, which unfortunately means that we're 0-1 on the 3K challenge. But we're not down and out yet. And it is a Friday, so we have things to trade. All right, let's see. And we are open. And guys, let me say, the long term is looking very nice. If we just go right here to snap, look at that gap up. Oh man, let's go. My average is at like 1130. I actually bought this on the long term, actually maybe like a week ago. I just saw Snap making a real recovery. I knew earnings were growing, daily active users were growing. If you guys want me to make videos about my long-term plays, let me know and I'll be happy to do that. But yeah, we are sitting pretty up on Snap. I only put like a few grand into it, which is a decent position for me at this stage, but yeah, should be up a pretty penny. And also Oxy, let's go, man. I bought this like down here. I don't know why I have this level. It's a support level basically here. Let's see if we can go on the weekly and show you. Yeah, it's that basically. There we go. So I bought it off of this big weekly level and we're again up very nicely. So anyway, let's focus on this account and let's see what we can get. Snapchat looking to come back up. Is this a trade opportunity? We'll take the 15s maybe. Oh, we got to get over those MAs though. I love this for a move into the previous lows. You can see right here, right around 1527. Here we go. Big opportunity on Snap here. There we go. I'm going to take it. I'm in. In at 24, looking for the ORB. Big move. Big move. There we go. Oh, I love that Snap. I love that. Let's hit for 15. Nice. But a lot of contracts here. There we go. We'd love to sell 10 on the ORB. And Snap helping us in more ways than one right now. Come on, Snap. Let's go for it. New 5. Beautiful. Might need to sell this if we got into the MAs, though. Come on, get on up. Bollingers are in our face. Can we go green? Yes. How strong are you, Snap? We got to forget about these Bollingers, man. No way buyers gonna hold this up. Hold those. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh, yeah. So you can go through the Bollingers here. But some buying again, but that does not look good. I mean, it looks like on the 5-minute, it wants to go through the 14. It's not the best look. Good look for that. Okay, look at that. Looks like it's trying to hold the 14 whole dollar. New 5. Yikes. This is our only chance. Looks like on the 5-minute, it wants to go lower. Selling. Sick one. Watch it hold too. At least we got the long-term shares, bro. And we're done out here, guys. Hope you enjoy the downfall. Thank God this ain't my main source of income. Let me just say this, guys. Trading, in my opinion, for me, has to be done also when you have stable income. I mean, I've heard Matt Diamond and a few others say this. I'm sure all of them believe the same thing, but like, do not just trade. Trading is meant to be a side hustle, which can give you income on the side. But like, if you eventually get good enough to trade, you have to make it so it can replace it when you make more than your actual stable income. You know what I mean? So it's a journey. I've been trading options for a little more than a couple of years, so definitely still new in my journey. I feel like I've came a long way, but this challenge is donezo. And honestly, looking back on it, reviewing the trades, I didn't trade well at all, and that's really my fault. Honestly, I think that the $1,000 per position was a little bit too high. We got to knock that down. So I'm gonna come back maybe in a week or so. I'll give you some more content. In the meantime, obviously, I got the long-term stuff to talk to you guys about. But yeah, I remember one of your guys' comments. You said that the discipline has to be on point with small accounts, and you're absolutely right, bro. I think we all know that, but it's just very tough. But we've done it before. If you guys seen the 1K challenge on Thinkorswim, definitely go check that out. That was the first series I've ever done, and that was successful, and that led me to get this Lightspeed account, but now we're down bad, so yeah. And also, what I really want to do, guys, is I feel like I'm too much of a lone wolf right now, and I'm honestly really itching to have that community within my Discord. I want to trade and look at the markets with you guys, because that honestly helps with trading. I feel like, actually, funny story, in the very beginning of when I started trading, even like before options trading, it wasn't that long before I did, but I was thinking to myself, I don't want to pay attention to any social media. I don't want to know what anybody's doing. But then I later realized that's probably the worst thing you can do, because you want to see what other retail traders are trading. You want to see what the big money movers are looking at. You know what I mean? Like, you have to stay up to date in those things, and you have to know what the community is looking for in order to catch those good trades. Because I mean, if you're not looking at anything, you're just looking at charts all day, that's not going to help you at all. I mean, you don't know if, I mean, you could be still trading GME and AMC right now if you didn't know better. You know what I mean? Obviously, that's an extreme example, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So that's my train of thought there. I'm going to really start working on the Discord and putting the final pieces together. So guys, let me know if you're excited for that. And honestly, I think it's going to be really beneficial for both me and you guys, because you get to be within that community as well and looking at the markets with a different lens. So I'm really excited for that. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching this series. We go again, and hopefully pretty soon with you fellas in the Discord as well. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Take it easy.